In this video, we will show you how to replace your door jamb switch on this Dodge Ram. You'll have two of these, one inside each of your door jambs. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get ready to replace our switch. The first thing you want to do is open up the door and locate your door jamb switch. Once you've done that, we're going to carefully pry this out of place. With it out of place, we can disconnect the wiring harness along the back side. To do this, you can use a small trim tool or even a screwdriver. We'll make our way in between this area and gently pry it out of place. With the switch out of place, we have a clear view of the wiring harness leading to it. What we want to pay attention to are these rectangular slots. You'll find that two of them have nothing behind them, and one of them will. Find the one that has the area behind it, and then gently pry to separate this. You can use a small pick or screwdriver. We'll pull that out of place. And there it is, friends. With that out of place, the next thing you want to do is pay attention to the wiring harness. We're looking inside where the terminal ends are. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. This one looks fine. We'll continue on to the installation of our brand new door jamb switch. For this, we'll just carefully align it with the connector and slide it in. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure that's secured together. Once you've done that, we can take this entire thing and press it into place. Press that in. If you find you have a hard time pressing it in, you can use a 16mm socket. We'll put that directly over the center, up against the base, and then you can give it a loving bonk with a small hammer. Double check to make sure it's completely seated all the way around. Once you've done that, go ahead and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.